But don't worry, by the time I finish,
This was when we started talking. Mercy, hold on. Mercy,
look at you. When we started talking,
hold on 1 minute. Wait now. We're not a quarrel. You know, so we'd always fight. Wait now.
People will think we are shouting. That's how we talk.
Wait.
That's how we shout.
Mercy,
so
wait now. You know when I wanted to buy a shop.
You said what
that period. Mercy, wait now. Mercy, wait. When I want to come buy shop,
we never agree. Never.
Mercy, when I want to come buy shop, I'd already gather money. And you know, say when I date TikTok, you imagine when I buy shop, I not still get my documents. You are aware. When I can't say buy shop or vocal, me and you can't start to the talk small. But because I still they owe you money, you still keep her for mind. Even then, Mercy, that's why I want you to calm down. Let's talk.
Finish, Blessing. Let me talk now. You said this will make you leave TikTok. That's why I'm talking.
You said 2 years. Wait, Mercy, I want you to count the year. Wait. You know,
let me finish first now.
Mercy, the 2 years. Mercy, 2 years we did not talk. Mercy,
but let me talk why we didn't talk now.
Mercy, wait now. Seconds, please. When 2 years, nobody knew I was a twin because I didn't talk about you for a bit.
What did you say? Matchmaking? People knew where to.
Mercy,
was I not coming to your
let me talk now. Oh, Jesus Christ. Mercy, wait. 2 years, you and I did not talk. It was
let me
that 2
finish
years.
Why I give
wait
you...
now, calm down, Mercy. That 2 years, that was when I built myself on TikTok. I started making a lot of money. Then, when I even started with TikTok, me and you were not talking at that spot.
Is this Mercy okay? How did you start your matchmaking, my love?
Oh God.
Bless you. At times, you. I think
Mercy, which year? Okay, on that 6 months, now I said get money to buy shop for TikTok.
What did you say?
Under 6 months, I take gather money to buy shop for TikTok.
Can I finish first of all? You're not letting me talk.
Go ahead.
You're not letting me talk.
Okay, sorry, talk.
Okay, you're talking about what cost our quarrel. Even when the mommy came in, you were holding me 2.4, Blessing. At that point, you called me. You said you want to buy your shop because you were having issue with your document. You wanted me to put my document so you can buy your shop. And I told you, Blessing, I said, Blessing, I'm sorry. I cannot put my document on your shop. Reason is because you know what I was processing at that point, which I don't want to say it. And I told you, I said, okay, Blessing, what we can do, right? I can't put it. You were mad at me at that point. So you came to me again. You said, okay, Blessing, Alpha, can you borrow me money? Blessing, at my city room when you came, I borrowed you 600 euros. You were holding me 2.4 and I borrowed you another 600 euros. And God bear me witness, I'm saying the truth. In that moment, you were owing me a lot of... And when I borrowed you this money, you told me the next month, that was when you were going to pay me back my money, my love. And I said, okay, no problem. So 2.4 plus the money you were holding me, it was accumulating. And at that point, I wanted to start at Joy again. You said you want to buy your shop. Oh, you now told me if I can give you in first hand, Blessing. It did again. I created my ajo. I gave you first hand. Again, when you said you were going to pay me that money, okay, forget about
you
money.
Okay?
Oh shit.
Do you know what you're saying? Should I bring victory? Should I bring victory on this app?
Blessing, we're not going to go too deep now. You know you like bringing family issue on platform.
Okay, go ahead.
Let me tell you something. Blessing. Why were the mommy calling? Why were they saying when I was fighting you that you were owing me a lot of money? When sister called and Bidasas called, they said, why didn't you pay her money? You were insulting me. You were falling the victim that you had issue. But when you were borrowing me, you didn't tell me that you were going to, when you were borrowing me, you didn't tell me, oh, because you had issue, you were not going to pay me the next month. How much did I leave for you? Blessing. What caused the fight? Was it not money issue? Blessing. See, I don't want, see, like, go and give it to Dai to open it. Blessing, you can always form the victim. I hate that of you. Stop doing the victim. See, when you wrong someone there, okay, you said you were having issue because you are having you are holding the money, you're not being insulting me. I have to understand. Me, I don't have a problem.
Calm down. Mercy, calm down. Okay, thank you very much.
No, but yeah, you want drink water.
No problem.
Blessing.
Mercy.
Blessing.
Let me talk, please. I beg in the name of God. You know you always say something. I tell you, Mercy, know my situation. The only money I'm having is for me to pay my rent and my bills. For the past 2 years, we did not talk because of that 2.5 million. And I tell you, don't worry. Let me build myself up. Mercy, let me talk now. Mercy, no. Mercy, let me talk. That is a lie. Mercy, let me talk, please. It's
Yeah,
only
no problem.
victory.
You are right.
Only victory that can bear. Only victory that can bear me and you witness, because she was aware.
Okay.
Mercy, after
Why
2
was
years, we now
family people
started
calling?
talking
How much were
again.
you
Hold
in?
on.
Okay. Or why did we
Mercy,
start
let me
talking?
talk now. Calm down and let me talk. Mercy, calm down. Mercy, chill. Hold on, please. After 2 years, we now started talking again. Towards that 2 years, people were not surprised. You started coming on my TikTok. When you started coming on my TikTok, people were not like, Goya, you're twin. That was when Mommy Anita, everybody, even Fred, people was like, that was when people start knowing you, because I stopped talking about you.
What did you
For
say?
2
I
years, I
didn't
was on
know.
TikTok. Nobody. Mercy, let me wait now.
Blessing.
Mercy,
You
let me
started
finish.
TikTok in
So when
my
you started
thoughts
coming,
now.
Mercy, Mercy, oh Jesus Christ.
You
Mercy, calm down now. You
forgotten.
were
Call the
talking,
Anita if I
right?
was not coming on your life
Calm
now.
down. Let me talk now. Okay, no problem. You let me make a point. Then after then, you and I started talking of up to, I think, 2 years plus now. 2 years plus we started talking, in case you're forgetting, right? So when we started talking again, you start coming on my TikTok. People were gifting you. I know a lot of gift. You yourself, you'll be like, Goya.
Mercy,
Mercy,
that was
calm down now.
before then
Mercy, let
now.
me
What are you
talk,
saying?
please.
Okay, Blessing, move forward, please.
No,
I don't
Mercy.
have
Oh,
time
Jesus.
shouting.
Okay, wait now. No problem. You said something 2 years we did not talk. 2 years you were not coming on my TikTok. That was
So
when
it's
I
not,
started TikTok. So because of the money, Mercy, wait, because of the money I was owing you, and I always said I felt bad that when I was in a problem, that this contribution will be doing it for long terms.
but did you
Because of my
acknowledge I
documents
gave you
and problem.
money? Were you not insulting me? It was all about you,
Mercy, wait
Blessing.
now, Mercy. Mercy,
That's
calm
why
down. Mercy,
that's
calm
why I
down
keep
now.
fighting you. When you're only someone something, yes, you
Mercy,
have an
Mercy, let
issue.
me talk now. Mercy, stop lying. Mercy,
Oh yeah.
Mercy, wait. After that 2 years plus, I have always had a dream to own a shop. Me since I've been in Europe. I've always dreamed to own a shop. I have always prayed for it. I'll tell you, Avoka, go try rent shop. I want rent shop. That I was not even trying to buy.
Somebody
I said I
said, "Is
want
it
to rent.
everything you bring on social media? It's not everything was. So it's me and my twin sister Wahala. Just leave us. Don't worry."
No worry, may I block you. No worry, I don't block the person. May go watch for other accounts. May you for not watch me. Mercy, after
Yes,
the problem,
Blessing.
we started talking, and I begged with you, and I said, okay, no problem, right? When we started talking, Mercy, when I wanted,
Bless.
Ebony, I wanted to buy my shop. That period, then I told me if I want to buy this shop, I have to buy the shop almost 20 something thousand euros, right? I want you guys to listen to me. I tell
Blessing.
you,
I
for
think
2 years plus.
I'm not comfortable talking
Mercy,
many talk again. Now if I don't cut you
Mercy,
now, you
please, no,
keep
no, don't
talking.
worry. Mercy, I just want to break it down. Now, calm down. Let's chill. Thank you, Ray. Ebony, opportunity now came. My best friend now told me, Blessing. My twin sister was my best friend at that time. Because the way my twin sister
Me,
now
your best
started
friend.
acting. Mercy,
Mercy,
wait now.
wait
Mercy,
My
wait.
twin
now.
sister was
Mercy, wait
always
now.
calling
Don't make
her
me.
friend best
Mercy, let me
friend.
look. Don't make me look
Shut up,
guilty. Let
shut
me
Mercy.
up.
talk now.
He said me best friend. You that was calling
Okay. Oh,
Zara.
wait now.
Me,
I
since
said
when?
then. It's not yet cooked now. Wait, it's cooking. I
Mercy,
said
calm down,
then.
calm
Thank you.
down.
Mercy, wait. Then my sister was my best friend. Before I now
Oluwa,
that my wait, Mercy, now can I talk? This my customer. My best friend now was my customer. I have been making her hair for the past 8 years. Are you getting me? Then she was just a normal friend. I'll say she's a customer before we now become a best friend. Now, after me and my sister started talking, I was not like very exciting, you know. So my sister would come on my TikTok, and I called my sister. I said, okay, Alpha, I don't see shop. I don't quick me gather money for TikTok. You they get me? But see money when I don't save. You get shop when I see. There's almost 20 something thousand euro. I cannot be able to meet up. I beg. See money we don't in my hand. I won't buy this shop. Help me. And now, the biggest challenge for me, now 2 ways. Ebony, may you listen. Either I use, they can't tell me say I need to bring my document. My document was not valid. Ebony, listen, no. My document was not valid. As it was not valid, and that's my sister, Mercy, borrow me money. I beg. My sister now said, how much? I say, see money when they my hand. Money when they my hand now, 18K. It never completes. My sister always talk about the money I'm holding her because now we are not talking. And I say, no worry, I'll give you. But my fair buy this shop first. But my sister don't come out the thing for mind now. He can't give me the 600. Before my sister give me that 600, before they talk about you don't owe me, and I say okay, no verse chi now. Now my fault. Now money don't come. Your money na small thing I will pay am. You dey hear me? Even though we dey quarrel, you know sisters things. You dey hear me? After then, go to your room. Now, you dey get me? After then, I come beg my sister, help me with this. Give me your documents. Because this shop, anything make me miss this shop. My sister knows say my dream to come true. Now for me to get, and I rent, I dey plan to rent. My sister know. She knows. I told her, my dream don't come true. I don't see shop, or person won't sell her. I won't use them for salon. Help me, make I take get this shop. I not get document. Nobody knew I was fighting my documents. My sister know what make me not fit get document now because of my Nigeria passport. Everybody know as they be. Now make I tell people, so not pray me you get. Before I fit get my document now, dagbo. I struggle by now. I supposed to not get passports. Nigeria passport show me shege. After them, my twin sister say no, they give me documents. You no one give me documents. See this reason. See this reason. When my sister tell me the reason, her reason was valid. I say okay. That reason Wetin make my sister not give me documents, I call they pray. I say Holy Ghost, may that reason come to true. May that this thing come to true. Now 2 ways. Because say my money not come complete, I need check of almost 2,500 to take complete 22,000 euro for me to take buy shop. I needed check of 2,500 euro. So that the person go hold this check, they go put the check for next month. If I give her the money, the remaining checking go put her. That was the 2 things I was fighting. I call my sister. Ovoka, now you go feel help me. Oh, I beg. Help me with your documents. He said she know they give me because of the problem. And before they vex, I say, you not help me with your documents. I get documents, just say for that period, my documents, you they get me. They never renew her because I never get my Nigeria passport. I call they cry. My sister say no go help me. Mama call my twin sister. Ovoka, because of this money when they owe you, give her your documents. I said, Ovoka, not me to give you this money. May I buy this shop? Now my dream, because now we just started talking. Our friendship has not started, but then, because we did not talk, first time me and my twin sister did not talk for 2 years. Are you getting me? After the my sister say she know they give me. Because the only thing, since now they say they need to check. I don't figure my sister is comfortable, I'm telling you. My sister has everything. You they get me? If my sister day here now, all thanks to me, now my grace, now she take day here. Everything when I take get, now she take come on, forget that thing. The way it say, my sister not hard for documents, but me had me. Because why? They give me big age, take on Europe, when I know everything. My sister, I day easy for her. My sister get documents when me never gets. I could beg Avoka, I beg. Help me. Not only you go feel help me. Not be told this money, I go shop her. I don't want shop. May I buy this shop? That be my dream true. You know, for almost 8 years, I don't say I must get shop. My sister say no, they give me because say me my sister family don't they beg my sister. Even mama say Ovoka, Epa. She say no. Guess what?
But can you say because the first time the money you were owing me, how you were insulting me about it? Be honest about it. But be honest what you said. I tell you say 2 years.
Mercy, wait now. I tell you, say, mood should not be today with the cross each other because mood should not invest for 3 years. Will not it up because I invest that period. Why they always insult you? I say, Oboka, I did stress with no documents. Picking day with me, baby. Yes, when I needed you that most, you just gaslight me because I they owe you money. No, would they think say this girl they go through. It was not
you were owing me. The money was not an issue. You were insulting me. Okay, you were not taking accountability.
Mercy, wait now.
You were being entitled.
I was always insulting you. Mercy, Mona, see where I insult my sister. My sister will always talk about my baby father. I was not like
because
Mercy,
I didn't want you guys to separate. I wanted peace for you guys.
Mercy, leave that part. Leave that part.
Yes, no so you leave that part as well. Was I bad person trying to settle you both? So why is it my fault?
Mercy now. Let's chill now. No problem. After now, my sister don't come back again. My sister say no, they give me check. This shop, I get 1 week. 1 week for me to go sign these documents. I call they cry. I call my mom.
Wait, make me not give you check because you were owing me 600. Wait now. You were owing me how much?
Hold on, no, Mercy, no. Mercy, no, please.
So,
Mercy,
it's always about
the 600 was not the problem. Mercy, wait now. Don't lie, please. Hold on. The 600.
No, I'm not lying now.
Because you know by then I never buy the Mercy, no, the 600 was not the problem.
Yes, it was not. It was when I said I won't give you the check. I'll give you money.
Thank you. Wahala. God bless you. God bless you. Now you understand. Now, thank you for taking
did I do anything bad?
The 600 was not the problem because mommy don't beg you. You say okay, sis. You know,
No, you
now
are
you are
always
denying
calling
me
your
for two
best
things,
friend
Mercy.
Zara.
Wait,
No, you are always calling your
Mercy, wait
best
now.
friend.
Mercy, wait. Mercy, wait now. Mercy, wait. You deny me for your check, and you deny me for the two. You deny me for your documents. Two things you were denying me for.
But my
Because mommy
document I
don't beg you,
couldn't give
beg you.
you
You say,
because it was valid. So we are
calm
poor
down
out
now.
it.
You are right now. You are right. You are right. Because of one
So
or two
the
things you
issue
were
was the
doing.
check.
Guess what? Mercy, no, now wait. No, the issue was it was still both. Calm down. Sister did there now.
Okay, you're
Sister,
still angry
now
about
sister
it.
we call it. Wait, now sister come they
Okay.
make me calm down. Say, John. Nah, Ebony. It can't take me 1 week. The woman they come in, I can't sign documents. If not, you want sell and give another person. Guess what? I can't before beg my. I can't I can't go to beg my twins, my best friend. My sister say no, they give me check because I tell and say make it give me just make it write check for me of what they call her 2,500. The person will go check in the money the next month. The next month make it your Ola. My sister said no, he not they give me because he does say may not disappoint me because he don't disappoint me for documents. He wants to disappoint me for check. Now so yeah, come and give you 600 euro. Fair add and join her. As he give me, now I say thank you. I can't they look for documents and check. I can't beg my
Yeah,
best
can I
friend. I
chip
dare I
in
can't go
now?
meet my
Can I
best.
chip in now?
Wait now,
Can I
one
chip in
second.
now before we
Mercy,
go to the
wait.
next
No,
one?
you
Oh,
don't
yeah,
need
go
to
ahead.
shift now. Wait, Mercy.
No,
I can't
I
beg my
have to
best
chip in
friend.
something.
Wait now. My best friend can't tell me say he no fit give me documents. I can't they fear me make my best friend not go put documents because tomorrow if he call us and I ain't get the shop. You know, I get what they try to talk. People call they tell me say I not put my best friend name because why they feel call they think I ain't get the shop. The woman can't tell me say because I not fit get documents. My documents, I get the card. I not fit renew am because of my Nigeria passport. Guess what? The thing when my sister they pray for can't work. He can't fit get the thing when they pray for. The same week that thing can't fall. I call their pee causing me for church. That's why they dance. Who can battle with Jesus? All my family will come their pee. Say my sister don't fit get her. Nah. You remaining 3 days for me to get the doc to go red sign for paper. I got to my sister over kafa. I beg now. My sister was not asking me the 600 because she know say that shop now be my target. I got to over kafa. Give me your documents now. What you they do? Docomo. Everything. You don't go sign the paper. Okpo. Give me your documents. Make I go sign for my shop. My best friend already concord to give me. May I go sign? He go be like saying, me and my best friend I can't get the shop. But I dey fear me that get tomorrow not come to say I ain't can't get her. I can't go meet the woman. I call the cry give her. I say me not sell this shop. The woman come tell me say you're very young. You like women when they active like me. I can't go ask information. Even my boss that time when I dey work with, call my twin sister say, he not change anything. My sister say no. Nah, my sister not call they talk for that thing. You know. In the work, he get last contract. You know why you're putting name for that thing. I call they cry. I said, Voka, help me. My mama call her. Every family call my twin sister. My sister say never. If you give me the documents, me know why. Okay, I said, okay, give me the check. My sister say never over a dead body when go give me check. Avoka say for my shop, you give me only 600 out of 22,000 euro when I want to buy shop. Avoka for documents, me I get documents because of Nigeria passport. They seize my document because they can't catch me saying a dagbo. My sister said no, I can't say okay. Now there my I can't say Avoka, what you they pray for don't come. You not fit give me your document. He said no, they give me. I said because of 2 points, I don't use 2.5. You know, say if I buy this shop, you they get me. From there, if my sister talk to me, I dey vex. Now there, my best friend can't look me say Goya, not cry again. My best friend can't give me check of 5,000 euro. You can't say me cannot give the woman all the money, may I owe small thing, so that may I for take do renovation of the shop. My best friend tell me say Goya, why you dey cry? Stop am. I don't know you for years. You don't dey pray say you won't get shop. Now you don't get shop. Just for my sister to give me documents, make I go sign. What you they pray for? Because of 2.5 million. When I they owe you, you know my situation. Now make me call be mad woman for TikTok. Make I take feed me and my children. Forget money. Family na family. If na my sister, I go
Oh, yeah,
cross my
can I
house give
chip
my
in
sister.
now? Oh, yeah, can I?
Wait now, Mercy, wait. I want mute when you talk. Wait now.
Okay.
May I tell you, guess what? I want to tell you I they always vex. If my sister talk to me, I they vex. You they get me? After then, I can say, okay. When I get my shop, when I see you, when I can't get my shop, the day the woman can't look me, the woman say me I not put my best friend's name put. The woman can't tell me, say make I put only my name. Guess what? I got to say whether I fit. He say no problem. Now there, the woman can't look me. I couldn't say I get my twin sister. My twin sister not accept me because woman have advised me. He said not put your friend name because tomorrow if you can go like say now una to get the shop. Because when I count now TikTok money, I take gather the money. My sister see when I they count money, I save that money. Not be say if I want use until they do a fizzy lifestyle because I want just need the best for me and my son at that period. Not be saying I'm mad be my problem. My sister say no. I can't say okay. I can't say forgive my sister for that part. I want to know why they always vex for my sister. If you come in, I feel I go break your head. You they get me? Guess what? After my best friend, the woman, I can't sign the document by myself. The 600, my sister knows I still give her. You know, tell me I not give her. Only that 2.5 million. And God and man know me say, it's not because of the problem of the situation of my baby
Did you
father.
pay?
May put me for mess. Wait now, I not pay you this thing now, the 2.5 now. Guess what? After them, me and my sister come to the talk. My mama will say forgive her. Now your sister say okay, mommy. Una not fair quarrel. Una quarrel
Or they will tell?
2 years. Una not talk. Mercy,
Yeah,
wait
blessing. Let me
now.
chip in
Your
now.
talk.
No,
Now then me and you come. Wait, Mercy. Mercy, calm down now. Wait, your talk. I can't fit buy my shop. This time when I buy my shop now, I can't put only my name. I call the happy. Guess what? 6 months of it. How many months I can't take get my documents? They can't give me my Nigeria passports. You they get me? You they get? See. After then, as I said, guess what? The day I buy my shop, my main accounts, when I say they make money, they call suspender. Boom, boom. I sign my shop today. See, I go sign my shop for when I buy for France for 20K. I can't money catch for TikTok. I can't go sign and go give. As I want come TikTok, make I can't celebrate. Say, I don't buy shop, oh, family of TikTok, oh. My main account when I get almost 200 and something K followers. As I you come up, one boy you come up. Hello, Goya, the boy know your wear shirt. Now so TikTok, you flag my account. Boom, that's so they say suspend them. The account can't die. I say shit. That time I don't know say that they get 2 accounts. Not be the first time when they suspend my account. I can't cry. You know when they say people they cry because of their accounts. I can't they cry. Say God, I cry. I can't forget myself back. I can't go make as I can't say they associate with their OSAS diploma and I be this one. When I say they don't suspend my accounts,
before you
as
going
I
there
want
now,
to do.
let's talk about the money you're going to or somewhere else. Well, that's not the main point. Blessing. Let me talk about you're talking
Okay,
about.
now I want to tell you why they best. Now my marriage now. Mona wait so my marriage, my sister fucked me up. My marriage.
Yeah, go ahead.
This girl show me waka. You see, for my marriage, my sister, he give me waka. Mama go say, blessing, you wanna be twins.
Oh yeah, do
Wanna be
again.
twins,
I
wanna
talk
learn to
now.
love each
What did
other.
I do again?
Wait,
Okay.
when I want to do my marriage, I don't buy my shop. I can't they say my sister, no problem. Sorry, in minute, okay. I can't tell my sister, say, okay. When we want to do marriage, guess what? Me and my husband, we want to take all. I want more than no one. My sister go say, My sister, I want to do my marriage. As I want to do marriage, I go tell my sister, how far? I want to do marriage, oh. Because he asked, wait, be the guy, say the guy, say, okay, no problem. Okay. Guess what? Who knows if you want to do marriage for all? All. What it be all? If you want to do all, they say I need to pay check deposits. They say for me to do marriage, if I want pay, I go pay caution. Who know it to be deposits of? Who know it to be deposit of check? They say I go pay because almost carry was almost 1,000 for I be 1,500 for the all. As one do marriage, my husband cut us say okay, no problem. Guess what? Now no say I need get my shop. That time they prepare my shop small. They call am caution. I call my sister. My sister, if I want do marriage, I beg. They say I need check. Say without check, they not fit give me the all. Oh, I want cry go give again. My sister. Mona, wait. I dey come. I can't tell my sister, say, Mona, see the check. Say, this is my business check. Una see my business check. That period, they can't give me, they get me, they can't give me my passport. As they give me my passport finish, oh yeah, come and take it. As they give me my passport finish, I call they celebrate. I call my sister, hey, they don't give me my document, so I get my shop, they get me. I get my shop, I not get license to take work on it. Mona see you, I get shop, I not get license to take work on my shop. I can't beg my sister, Ovoka, Afa. I beg, I don't feel buy the shop with my name. You feel help me create license with your name, may they work for inside shop. I beg, where I take the shop for TikTok, they don't come out. I want you use your name to register for my shop. Make I take the work inside. Because if control catch me for inside my shop, you dey hear me, I will get problem. When I know it to be licensed now, license of shop. My two sisters say no. You know they put in name for my shop or for my license. What you want use my license? No. He say no, they try ya. You know they do. I say Ovoka. I call they cry. Ovoka. Ovoka. I don't get shop. Help me. I don't want to go tell my best friend again. Because that one they say, Shebi, you get twin sister. Ovoka, help me with your license. Over my dead body, I know they help you with your license. I said, Ovoka, guess what? If I want work for shop, I go off lights. I go sit down for corner. I go corner, go they work when police not catch me.
Was that what I said? I would say, God forbid, over my dead body, I won't give you.
Ovoka, you said you are not giving me. Everybody, even pastor for church.
Yes,
Ovoka,
now you
wait.
said that.
Ovoka, wait. Ovoka, for church, how many deaconess not talk to you? Deaconess talk to you. People for church talk to my twin sister. My boss talk to my twin sister. Everybody talk to my twin sister. My twin sister say never, they give me. Nah, only one they suffer with pikin, no. Only me one, no. Mona, no. Only me one they suffer with my pikin. I can't go corner. If I say I go dey check my police not come because now my shop never register, but I can't go put stamp as I get mad reach. The mad when I get there, I know they send anybody. I can't go put name Goya Beauty. Nobody know. I go they say God make police not catch me. I go they pray. If customer come, say as I do, I go say front of door. I'll say coiffé. You know, if I say I'll say viens. I'll enter. I'll lock this thing. I'll go do one with pangolo share. Guess what? Before they can't do my passport, they can't give me my passport. As they give me my passport, I call their P. That's why they jump. I say my documents because I can't go change my name, change data, change everything from A to Z. I say, Goya, you go feed one. You go feed one. I want before go put my best friend name again for the license. They say me I not do one. They say me cannot do one because why? Now friend. Tomorrow if you call to say na name dey the shop. My sister say no, they give me Wetin wan happen may happen. Wetin wan happen, they give me. I call they cry. I say, look at me. Money, if I start to the work, wetin be 2.5? Even though say we get quarrel, still consider say I be your sister. You dey hear me? Just still consider say I be your sister. I beg. Forgive me. My mama call her. My twin sister, my elder sister, everybody call her. She said no, they give me. He husband ask my twin sister. I need that beg your husband. I say, Oga, daddy, help me beg your wife. If I offend her, I beg. May not vex. I call the need that they beg my twin sister, husband, and sister, I be small pikin. Help me beg your wife. Now only one go feel help me for Europe. And my documents. You know when they seize your documents. I struggle stay this house. I call the old landlord almost money where I call the one my landlord. I say no problem. This shop I must get on because I know if I feel get this shop, my life does stand. Nothing go feel for me for this life again. My sister say no, they give me. Before my best friend come tell me say won't give me. People they advise me blessing no, not do one. Guess what? I can't do one. Take I cry that day when I cry. Say God's a year. The next day they give me my passport. As I renew my passport finish. For me to go my passport now take me almost 2 years plus before I fit get documents again. Guess what? My sister go tell me say I embarrass myself for TikTok. Look at what I'm doing. I'm fooling myself on TikTok.
Let me talk now. Hold on.
Wait
Can
now.
I talk now?
Calm down, Ovoka.
No, now you
the
say,
one where I cut it to say, wait, for my marriage, Ovoka, calm down, may you chill.
If you talk now, I might be forgetting now. It's one at a time.
Okay, wait.
If you
I'll
talk,
mute.
see, when you talk everything, I will not forget.
Wait, Ovoka.
Let's see.
Wait, make I talk about my marriage because I want mute. Wait, Ovoka.
Okay, if you
marriage,
I will not go back now. I will
forget.
forget.
Oh yeah, talk. Will I finish it first? Talk now. Talk, Ovoka. No, now. I want before talk about what you do me for my marriage. Talk, no problem. Before I go talk what you do me for marriage. Talk. You they say why me they call what me to know they talk for many years. You dey tell me say why we not dey talk, why I no dey agree with you, why I prefer outsider than my own twin sister, my blood. I come dey say money go change family, my sister. Money na bad thing. When I want do marriage, my sister, when I want do marriage, I can't see my
Talk
sit down and
now.
talk. Oh yeah,
Blessing.
talk. Oh yeah, talk.
Hold on now. You've been talking,
Talk.
talking, talking. You know, I've been giving you listening
Oh
ears,
yeah,
so let me
talk.
talk myself.
Oh yeah, sorry, not talk. Talk, my love. Talk. Go
Okay,
ahead.
which is you see my sisters now, they're asking what's going on between me and my blessing. Victory, nothing is going on. We are just communicating. So they are blessing is saying that
Nothing is
why she
going on,
doesn't
Victory.
listen to me. So it's nothing. You know, blessing likes to bring everything on social media. So we'll discuss here. We're interacting with Victory, so nothing much. Okay,
Victory,
blessing, can
nothing
I
is going
talk
on.
now?
Nothing dey happen. Talk.
Okay, blessing, Victory is okay. Okay, she has responded. Okay, blessing, let me tell you something. You know what it feel like, how disappointed it is when you call someone your best friend. Like I said, my twin sister was my best friend in good times, in bad time. My twin sister was always someone I talk to, and when she's going through challenges, she knows I will put through for her no matter. TikTok is Goya, it's Goya family. Thank you, it's Goya. TikTok is Goya here. She likes saying everything here. That's what we're talking here. So now there is nothing going on. We're just interacting so we can understand each other. That's this place is Bless's comfort zone. If not, I don't think I will start explaining myself on social media. It's just cruise, so no one should take it personal. So okay, let me say
Now, when
what
take
was
her
I?
personal, now I
So
go suffer.
they go suffer well. So my twin sister is like one person that I like like all my difficult when I was in difficult time, even she as well. We know how to talk, we know how to come for each other. So when Blessing says, "Oh, one of the things I don't do is entitlement. I'm not entitled to my twin sister stuff. And when I ask someone for something, when they say they don't have, I don't see it as a must they have to do it. That's my kind of personality. Okay, that's just to clear the hair. When my sister said, "Oh, money was what caused our issue," it's not about the money. The
Finish it
money
out,
was not
Father.
the issue. It was how she
What do you want?
spoke to me.
More pasta?
You know, where you
You chop?
offer someone help and they made it feel it was all about themselves. I felt my sister was like feeling like, "Oh, you have the money. Why don't you pay it?" I felt like she was entitled to what I have. That was where I was having issue. When this money caused the issue, I paid for my twin sister. It was not a big deal. My siblings were even telling Blessing. Blessing was insulting me. My mom, my elder sisters, my siblings were saying, "Blessing, why are you insulting this girl for her own money?" She was like, "May she, as in, I'm not even going to go through all those many money talk." Like I said, when I do something, I just let it go. I forget about it. Blessing was talking about her shop. Like Blessy said, both of us, we've not spoken for several years because of what was going on between both of us. I saw my kid sister, first of all, called me. Blessy be want talk to you. I don't know how she to talk to you. And she says she won't buy shop. I've been hearing she wants to buy shop. She wants to buy shop. I was like, okay, because we don't talk, like I said. And even this, even when Blessing was in a relationship, I was not aware. Do you understand me? Even my mom. So I'm not gonna go too deep. When Blessing came about these shops, right? She came to me. She said, "Mercy." She didn't come about me putting my document in her shop. First of all, let me tell you where she came in. She said, "Mercy, please, I need a check of 2005. I want to buy a shop, but it is my girlfriend, my best friend, that wants to put her document." I was like, "Really? Your best friend want to put her document?" And whenever Blessing she's talking to me, when Blessing now said she has best friends, she was looking less of me. She was always putting her best friend in everything she said. You know, when you've done something good, people intend to forget so quickly, but they just want to tackle the fact that when you said no to something, you become a bad person. That was how I felt with Blessing. So when after that money aspect has caused misunderstanding, trust me, 2 million naira, 5 million naira is not my issues. Likewise, this Blessing. Do you understand me? So let me just say money is not my problem. If my twin sister now calls me, "Mercy, I need 10,000 euro, 5,000 euro," I will give it to her. But how you talk matters. How you don't make it feel a bad. See, I can swear with my life, I have never asked someone to borrow me money. I don't know how
Even
to
though
ask. And even if I ask, if you say no, I will not assume you have it. Over my dead body will I do so. When Blessy came to me about that shop, she didn't tell me I was putting my document first of all. The only thing she told me, she said, my best friend want to put I want to buy shop. My best friend want to put a document. And secondly, I just want you to give me a check. Guys, don't forget I had issue with money with my twin sister. Oh, when she talked about the check, and I said, Blessing, I'm sorry, I cannot give you the check. I will always say what I can do and what I cannot do. So how you perceive it is now is all about your business. I won't tell you something I want because I want to please you and not please myself. The main reason I didn't give my twin sister that check at that time was because we already had issue with money financially. So me giving my twin sister that check, I was like, no, don't worry, I can give you 600 euros. She came to my house. She came here. I gave her that money in cash. And do you know what I did again? After we've not been talking, I now because I do ajo, so I'm like they add me. I created that ajo. I gave my twin sister, Blessing, let me finish. I gave my twin sister first
no.
hand. Wait, let me finish. Let me finish,
Mercy,
Blessing.
stop it.
Blessing,
Mercy,
when you were
never.
talking, Blessing, when
Mercy.
you were talking, I didn't stop
Oh,
you. Blessing, when you were talking, I
Mercy,
let
stop
you
it.
said,
That Ajo
okay,
was
okay,
useless. Don't even think about it.
okay, okay,
Please.
okay, okay,
I was
okay.
not even involved.
I'm not gonna argue. Okay, no problem. I'm not gonna argue. I'm not gonna go deep down. So when Blessy came, I gave her the 600 euro cash, and I said, "Okay, you can have it." At the same time, as so-called my best friend, no problem. So later on, Blessy now changed again. She now said, Mercy, please, after we started talking, after she asked me for the check, I gave her 600 euros. Oh, please, can you give me your document? I want to buy my shop. I was not like, Wetin happened to your best friend? Because now I am not like, if I need anything, I will ask her. She does not, at that, like I said, I don't see my twin sister like, I always, like I said, I don't have best friend. If you still ask me who is my best friend, I'll say it's my twin sister. I'm honest because I don't keep friends. I'm just a family oriented person. So my family is my space, even my siblings. So if you still ask me today, who is your best friend? I'll say it's my twin sister. So when Blessing now said, "Oh, now, the reason I don't want to make my best friend, I don't want my best friend to put the document is so reason," and I said, "Blessing, let me tell you something. You have your goals. I have my goals. Don't forget that if I have to put my document in your shop, it means I am the owner of the shop. And guess what? I don't know anything about shop." And I said to her, please, I'm sorry, I'm not going to put my document in that shop. Why? Because I don't know anything about it. And if there's any conflicts, now I will be the one that will put my head. You already have your ideas. Your vision is not my vision. My vision is not for me to have a shop. So, Blessing, why don't you just patient? At that time, Blessing document will come out very soon. One of the things I love about my sister is that if she wants to do something, she goes for it. Sir, she doesn't care what will happen now. She just wants to do it now. Why me? I'm the opposite of my twin sister. If I want to do something, rather for me to ask, I rather wait for like 5 months. From if it takes me 5 months to get it, I will get it. I will not pressure anyone. But my twin sister, if she wants to get something, she wants it now. She wants it now. So if I have to say no to her, she will get offended. I know a kind of person. So I know what to expect. So when Blessy told me about let me put my document, I said, Blessy, why don't you just hold on? In few months from here, your document is gonna be out. You just put your document. She says, no, 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 no. Put your document, please. Later, she started calling like few people to come over to come talk to me. Somebody was like, oh, if you put your document, it's not gonna be an issue. I said, it's not me putting my document is gonna be an issue. I just don't want whereby if there is an issue, I don't want it. And I didn't tell Blessing that I will put it then later. And I said no. I only said no. That was what I said. Not from a bad angle, not from a bad intention. This is me. So if Blessing says that, she wants for her, she was mad that I didn't do it. Why did she see the fact that, oh, when you needed money, I gave you? So is she a Blessing? Are you expecting me to be like, when you said you needed it, I would give it to you? But what did I tell you that day? I said, Blessing, your dream is not my dream. My dream is not for me to have a shop. Your dream is for you to have a shop. I don't want to. It's simple. And I will never pressurize my twin sister. If I'm building a mansion, right? If I don't have money, I will never call anybody for it. I don't feel like, and if I ask you, you don't have it, I won't feel you have it. I'm assuming you don't want to give it to me. If that makes sense. So if you said you're angry, or you're talking, you said you want to talk about marriage. Did I clear that part for you, Blessing?
Mercy, let's assume, after Mercy, you still tell me why I cannot forgive you. Let's leave the shop issues.
You said cannot forgive me.
Mercy, you said your dreams. That's why they said it is what we call sisters. No problem. Let's leave it like what you said. Your dreams are not your dream, but my dream not your dream. But the shop that I have today, you can come to the shop.
Family are not blood anymore. There's what we call entitlement. No, not you, Blessing. There's what we call entitlement. I am not entitled to anyone. I'm not entitled to my twin sister stuff.
I am not. Mercy, calm down, Mercy. I am not entitled to either me. But when you come to my shop, you don't pay for one kobo. You're going to make your hair. I do it.
But when you come to my house, you take all my wigs. Do I tell you to give it to me back? What are you saying? You're going out of points now. All my wigs that I bought, 700,000, 800,000. When you take that, do I tell you to give it to me? What are you saying? Are you okay?
Mercy. Okay, your wigs and all. Okay, no problem.
Talk now. It's all about you. My phone that I bought almost 900,000.
Okay, your points are valid.
Jesus Christ.
But when I want to marry, Mercy, marry,
go ahead again. Twist Wahala.
What you did make me to break my trust for you and feel like
let's have 5 minutes, please. Go ahead.
Okay, no problem.
You know I'm not used to this your long time TikTok.
I know you're not used to. Don't worry. I told you I'm a
streamer. Victory, please, Blessing. See, you know I respect my. I know you not get family. I know you not respect family. Me, I respect my family. They tell my family.
You always say, you know, when you called me about my husband issue, I always tell my husband should stop calling. I told you, I'm always upset when you talk about my issues.
You know you talk about family too much on TikTok. What is it again now?
Mercy, let's talk about when I want to do marriage. This is when I felt that you're not my twin sister anymore. That was when I decided to like any of your issues. I am out of it. Let me see. You know what about me? I can get angry, but I forgive easily. Either my sister.
But you said you.
Mercy, wait now. Even though my sister did not give me a document for sure.
Okay, Blessing. I have to go now.
We were talking fine. We were friends. We were still chilling.
Somebody said, can you guys talk offline? Not my twin sister. My twin sister don't know offline. No, it's always on TikTok.
Mercy, sorry. That customer, they call me. We were always talking fine. We were still friends. Even when I met my husband, I introduced my husband to you. I said, this is the man I want to get married to. You asked me, are you sure? I said, yes, no problem. Guess what? When I want to do marriage, I wanted to do my wedding. They told me to give check. This is the check they were needing for. This is what we call paper check that I use all the time. I needed this. I told my sister, Mercy, please.
Blessing, can we say something else? Because Blessing,
Mercy,
they are telling me to drop off this life. You know,
why?
Blessing.
No problem. Mercy, you're telling me why we don't talk, even though we chill. Parents not know.
How don't we talk?
We never agree.
I will not talk. Not be me and you.
Mercy, wait now. You always you tell me why I prefer TikTok than you. This is what you said, right? And I'm giving you my valid point.
TikTok by me. I'm just telling you what you do on TikTok.
They are saying you. Mercy, no. I tell you why I prefer TikTok, because they stood by me. I told you this thing. I told you I needed you, but family, these people helped me mentally and emotionally.
By putting yourself on social media.
Thank you very much. What did you say? You say, you know, they give me check. Okay. I told you because I have demand for check. I can't get my check immediately. They need it for me to put it for deposit of check. What did you say to me? You say, you know, they give me my check for my marriage. Is that not what you said to me? Oh, give me that same check, my best friend.
And why don't I give it to you?
Mercy, what did you say? You said, you give me my check for deposits. Did
I how I respond to you? I will just respond to you like that.
What did you say?
I don't know now. You know you are keeping things in mind. You tell me now, because me, when I have conversation, I'm not expecting you to bring anything.
Mercy, you just did it because you don't want to. Because you still put the fact that because of 2.5 when you know my situation at that time.
That is not the situation. It was how you sounded. You're not taking accountability. Blessing.
Mercy, you are still putting things for more than 6 years.
I'm not 6 years. Who, me? Okay, Mercy, Blessing now. Okay, what do you want now again?
Mercy, the only thing I tell you.
Bring Victory up Mercy, for me.
The only thing I tell you, I told you one thing.
You don't need to.
I am telling you, you're my sister, eh? You're my sister. I tell you, what you did, you broke my heart. When I needed you most, you
Did
were
you
not
pay the
there.
money? Have you paid the
Mercy.
money? Did you pay me the 2.5?
Mercy, should I give you your 2.5? You never ask of it.
Why? But because I
But what
did
you
not
did,
care.
but I always noticed you have this thing inside of your heart.
Jesus Christ.
Mercy,
Blessing, you're taking too much.
Mercy, when I want to marriage, what do you tell me for check? What do you tell me for check? When I want to marriage, who give me deposit for check? Because they say they know they take cash, it has to be check. When I tell you, say, Mercy, I can give you in cash, you say no. You know they give me check. Who gave it to me? My best friend. When I have a sister that I can easily call to, they'll say, when you get sisters, you can look out for each other. But you tell me, you said no, you know they give me check. Is that not what you said to me? You did not remember, okay? But who give me check? It was, my husband was aware. My husband said, Mercy, what's going on? I said, my twin sister said she's not giving me check. That day when you were calling me, I was on call. It was on what's it called?
People
Speaker.
are saying Goya pay 2.5. I don't need the money. I'm not asking her for the money. We're just having conversation. The money is not the issue.
No,
2.5 million is change.
my sister always told me that. See, my biggest problem between me and my sister, she said that my sister will tell me that I always have friends on TikTok. Are you getting me? My twin sister will say, Blessing, you always have friends on TikTok. I tell my sister, TikTok is where they helped me when I needed people. They helped me. They stood by me. I always tell you, Mercy, I am who I am. What did I always used to tell you?
What did I say?
All times.
Wait now, 1 minute, Blessing. Come. Am I telling you not to do TikTok? I think you're getting the message wrong.
When you always tell me and my fans, you always say me and my fans.
What are you saying?
You always tell me and my fans. I'll tell you, Mercy. You see these fans?
You see your problem.
Mercy is not the problem. I tell you. I always tell you. You always tell me why don't I agree with you. You know.
It's not about agreeing with me. So let me tell you something, right? If you talk to me, if you talk to me, one thing about you is that when you do something, you don't need advice. You want me to always agree to the things you're saying. So for instance, if you have issue, you will come to me, you will talk. If I want to give you advice, you don't want to listen. But you just want me to validate what is coming through your head. But you come to me as if you are discussing or you need my opinion. But when I say something, you don't want it because you want me to validate what you are thinking.
Mercy, that's we have issues. You will never understand because you were not in my shoe.
Okay.
For more than 4 years. 4 years. Mercy, When I did not I said NEPA take light 2 months, no light for this house.
These people are just saying give her your the problem start from 2 points. It's the communication. That's where the
Mercy. Mercy, hold on. Okay, Mercy, wait, calm down. When I wanted to do my marriage, when I begged you for your check, what did you say to me? Why did you give it to me?
Can I tell you
why?
Something?
Tell me why. Do you know what? That thing broke my heart.
You are just having this conversation. Can I say something?
Mercy, when I stop.
You are just saying
when I begged you for check.
Wait now.
You did not remember. Mercy, why would you remember? When I pleaded with you, I said, Mercy, our date that's why when you tell me why I not fix date for you.
Blessing, when you married, when you rushed, you married. What did I Blessing, what did I tell
Mercy, it's not Mercy, you don't need to tell me even before then.
See, let me
why did you give me your check? Why? Tell me why. Tell me why. When I pleaded for you, I want to make it as caution for deposits for my wedding. What did you say to me? You said you're not giving me. Is it not what you said?
You see, it's always Mercy. I have Mercy.
No, Mercy, because at that spot, you were the only one I can look up to. That's what they say when you have sisters. You always tell me, Mercy, why did you prefer your TikTok? You see, the only person that
you're getting it wrong. What are you saying?
You're not getting me, Mercy. That's why I lack communication with you, Mercy.
Okay,
that's why I stopped talking to you.
You can bring it on social media. You have issue with your partner.
Mercy, because why? Because Mercy, let me tell you why.
You want me to tell you to go?
Mercy, let me tell you why. Let me tell you why. Let me tell you why. When I needed almost money, do you know how much people contributed for me on this app?
Okay, so if you have marital issue, you come and give it to them.
Mommy Anita,
that's why if you have marital issue, you bring it to social media. That's what you're saying.
Mercy, leave that part.
You see why you reason that part. If you have issue,
Mercy, it's not your business. It's not your business. Me and my husband will settle this.
Let me
I
tell you why I'm
told
mad
you,
at you.
stop.
Oh
We
yeah, wait now.
settled it and keep it
Let me
off
tell you why I'm
yourself.
mad at you. Oh yeah, can I tell you why I'm mad at you? I have every reason, blessing. I have every reason not to be talking to you for life. Can I tell you why I have every reason not be? So let me tell you something. The fact that I have a forgiving spirit and I have a pure heart
Because
doesn't
of
mean I'm
2.5
stupid.
million.
No, not
Don't worry.
because
As
of
you're
that.
talking now, I will wire you
Look
the
at
money
you. Look
immediately.
at you.
Immediately,
When
Mercy. I'm
Poco,
not joking
no,
this
wait,
time.
shut up. When Poco, but when I gave birth newly, if you're not wicked, it's all about you. When I gave birth, when Poco brought my kids out, brought my children, invade my privacy, started insulting me on fucking social media. Bless you. Did I put it against you? Were you not the one
Dita
talking to them?
apologize. Mercy, Dita
Hold
apologize.
on, let me finish.
Mercy, Dita
Blessing, let me talk.
apologize.
Oh, yeah, let
I
me finish
apologize
now.
on the behalf.
Let me
I
finish.
apologize
Let me
genuinely.
finish.
I
Blessing.
tell you, Mercy, these people
Your
want
problem.
for me down for this app.
Blessing,
I
let me
apologize
finish.
to you.
Oh yeah, can I
Mercy,
talk
hold on.
now? Can I
Mercy,
talk?
this is one thing
Let
about
me
social
finish now.
media.
You said you
Mercy,
talk
I
what was paying
apologize
you. Can I
willingly.
talk my own now?
When they did it, I apologize.
Can
What did
I
I say?
talk
I said I am
my
sorry.
own? Madam, can I talk my own? When Perry was insulting me, when Enoge were insulting my
Did
children.
I apologize, Mercy?
This is why I'm talking about, because it's all
Did
about
I
you.
apologize,
When it's
Mercy?
for
Do
your
you know this is
favor,
where?
like this is why I'm saying when it's for your favor, you fucking don't care. But when it's
It's
for
not because
other
I don't
people,
care.
you don't care.
Mercy,
Blessing.
these people know that.
Wait now. I will never in my
Mercy, I don't know
life.
why you always
Wait
bring
now.
all these things.
Wait
So I don't know why you always bring it.
Wait
I don't know
now.
why you're
Because
doing
it's
all
now
this.
it's
I
not
don't know
about
why.
you. It's not about you. Blessing, you know, I will never sit and watch anyone insult you.
Mercy,
Neither
when
you
you're a
any of
G,
my family.
Mercy, if people want to bring you down, they will bring you
English.
down through your family member. That was what
And
they
these
were
are the
doing
people
with
you are.
you.
Were you not playing game with
Mercy,
Poco? The same people that insulted us. Were
Mercy,
you not
this
friends
was
with
what
them?
they were doing.
Were
They
you
was
not
trying
friends
to
with
bring
them,
me down.
idiots?
No problem. Thank you very much.
Come on, fight. Now blow
Mercy,
your teeth.
that your 2.5 million, I am sending it to your account immediately.
Oh yeah, send it.
Immediately.
Oh yeah, now send it.
Mercy, you know, say my money, Abi, not be next month. Remove her, come out. Take that money, and I mean it. That 2.5 for almost 6 years.
Bless you, I don't need it. Did I ask
You
you the
need
money?
it. You
Did
need
I
it,
ask you the
Mercy. You
money?
need it.
Look at
Because this
you.
is now what did they make you? They get grudges.
Listen, you don't.
Mercy,
Do you even
Mercy.
think?
If I be say Mercy, this is what make you they get grudges. You not think about
You,
how my
I
life
mean, are
go
you
on
saying
that
they
time.
got
You not
see
think of me
you
living
said
2
I'm
years
having
plus without my
grudges.
documents.
Are you not the one
Mercy,
making
that's it.
grudges? You said that's why you are.
Don't worry.
What are you saying?
I'll send you your money.
Oh
No
yeah,
worry.
wait now, come. What are you saying?
I
You
dey
said you are
send
the
you.
one keeping grudges on me. Now you are saying I'm the one keeping
I am
grudges
giving
on
her.
you.
Don't worry,
Are
family.
you
I am.
okay? Are you okay?
I always tell you, Mercy, that period, I told you.
Let's see, what's the money? It was
No,
how you
it's not.
insulted me. How you insulted me. Have you forgotten? Oh, I will be keeping record for you. I'll be keeping record. Oh, 6 years.
Mercy.
Blessing.
That time, Mercy. That time, I told you, I was going through stress. You know, when they take documents, you will not understand. You will get documents, they take documents for your hand. I go prophet to, they say, no, wait till I carry. You don't know the stress. You don't know the stress. Mercy, hold on. You know it's easy to talk because you're not in my position. You always tell me you don't know entitlement. It's not all about the entitlement. It is all about when you needed people most. You know my reason. You know, say me, I be person with the
Blessing.
also. You know.
Okay.
You know. Even when you dey ask me the money, I dey beg you, Ovoka. I not get the money now.
Blessing.
This guy, Papa,
bring
don't
victory
come
up while you were insulting me. You see, you always
I don't
forget.
need to bring victory up, Mercy.
She wanted you to bring her up. She sent me a message. You should bring her up. She's in there.
No, I don't
you
want
always
to. No.
forget. You know why? Because you always forget how
Mercy,
you treated
I don't
me.
want to.
You know what? Do you know the problem is that you are the one for me the victim. When in the sense
Mercy
that
is not victim.
look at
Mercy, you know this. Oh.
Even my elder sister, were they not begging me to forgive you to let
Mercy,
it go?
you call it victim.
Okay, why don't
when
you talk to
get
the whole
documents.
family? Why don't you listen to the whole family? Okay, what did the other family do to you? Oh yeah, come and be talking. Look at you.
Oh, can I give Tariq food? Don't be me gog you.
Yours one, now be me gog you, may you go chop, may you eat tea. You don't say to me, you go, make your head calm down. They shout all the time.
Don't carry, now make me no shout. Give you,
Now,
you know
I
now.
don't see, I go carry another prick, fool.
Now, you know now. Take. You know now, if I never carry pre-count for don't meet you this evening, you for don't depress.
Come ask now, you.
Ask for don't meet you.
You get power. Come on, see physically. I beg who go bet €1,000. Who go bet €1,000 more? You. Oh my goodness.
Hmm?
My sister is a mad person. You guys will
No,
not
I'm
know
not
what
seeing.
I'm going
I'm
through.
fine
You
again.
will not know.
No,
You will not know. It's always all
no, no,
about
no.
blessing. It is well.
Mercy, I agree with you. I concur to what you say.
Me, I'm
I
not
say
telling you
thank
to
you. Go
listen
thank
to
God,
me. Oh,
say.
blessing. Blessing, you see, do
Go
I come
thank
for
God, say.
advice from you now? The only thing I'm telling you, and I'm still saying
Mercy,
it.
Mercy, look
Eh?
at me. Mercy, hold on. The money was not the problem. The
Saga.
problem was you never understand what I was going through.
Says
I was
who?
going through a lot. Mercy, hold on. They talk about contribution money. No,
Oh, look at
Mercy,
you. You don't
Mercy.
forget.
Anyhow you
That's
want
why
to say
family
it.
bars go always say it's all your head not the
Mercy, that's
your
why
head
now
not the
I always
calm.
oh, Mercy, calm down. Anyhow you want to talk is left for you.
Now you
If
know
you
you
think
shut
that
up.
Mercy and see, Mercy, let me tell you one thing about
This
life.
one say you guys
When you are in
obviously never
stress,
loved each
Mercy,
other. Shut up, you.
Mercy,
Who told
Mercy,
you? Yeah,
Mercy.
my twin
You know
sister
one thing
that
about
was
Mercy,
what not
Mercy. You know, let me tell you one thing about life. See, when you're in stress, the people that were there for you will never forgive them.
oh, you forget when I
You
was
will
there
never
for
forget
you.
them.
No, I was
Mercy,
not there
you
for
will never
you.
forget them.
No, I wasn't.
Mercy, Mercy, when you even told me, Goya, you're making a lot of money on TikTok. If not because of TikTok, Mercy, where I want to get the money. You always tell me to
The
leave,
money
Mercy.
when they are insulting the whole
Mercy,
family. Did
Mercy, this
is
is how
anyone
they want to
asking
get
you?
to me. Mercy, that's one
Okay,
thing you
that's how
always
they will get
prioritize.
to
Mercy,
you. Look, and
Mercy,
the same
see,
people you're
Mercy,
associating yourself with them.
Mercy, wait now,
Come
Mercy,
on,
wait,
the money
Mercy,
you don't.
Mercy,
Money is
wait
not your
now.
problem. Blessing.
Mercy, let me tell you one thing about life, Life is all, let me tell you, life is all about strategy. When people
Good
cannot get to you,
strategy.
they will get to people that you love so much to get to you.
And the
And
same
even
people
that
you
period
talk to
when
them.
Mercy,
When
wait, Mercy,
they
wait,
insulted me before, were you not friends
Mercy,
with them
wait,
again? Before
Mercy,
you guys
this
fighted
TikTok
again?
see, Mercy,
Well
wait,
done.
Mercy, you see one thing about this TikTok is a battleground. When they see say you they make and they go won't fall you down. That make can say that the way they take for me, they won't bring my family along. That make I not grieve for them. But you think it's easy. You're like where you they walk, now where you they shop, now you they get enemy. No one thing. If people not come for you, now make can say anything they do, you need to they pray. Where you say they walk, now if people know me, they won't get through me because they won't get that position where you they. You they get me. So the only thing you always feel say they come for you. Even that period I tell Mercy, these people want use it to come against me, not vex. You'll say make I stop. Now say Mercy not be the stop, not be the problem. Now yeah, I tell also for this TikTok, who feel make and buy shop with their money? Now me run now. Now me pour and say gather money. I gather 35,000 euro take catch am. Now TikTok, who tell me which bloggers? Mercy, give me one bloggers for this TikTok where if you use their money to do better thing. Tell me. Bring one bloggers. All of us will be bloggers. When they say see their money, when they tell use and say do for Europe. Give me one bloggers. Now let me one. Give me the bloggers.
Okay,
Show me one bloggers, Mercy.
okay. Can you?
But you were not understanding that they were using my family against me.
Okay, can you stop analyzing now?
They were using my family against me. I
Oh,
wanted you to be like, Mercy, please. I
okay,
am begging you. If not they
okay.
insult you, now me they insult you. I always beg you because they know say they go bring on my family. Now
And you think I don't have pride? You think I don't carry
Mercy,
myself with pride? You think that's what
Mercy,
I'm
I
saying?
understand you. This is not what you're doing,
Blessing.
but you not
Yes, that's not
understand
my
it.
pet thing. So what do you want me to do? I should you see you want me to accept you for who you are, but you don't want to understand me as well. That's why I said it's always all about you. This is where I'm having issue with you. It's all about you. I have to concur to you. But when I tell you this, I can't do this, I can't do that. You don't want to understand because why? You feel I have to do it. But it is all about you now. Can you see it now? Can you see why I'm having issue with you? Can you see why I'm having the problem? When you tell me to do
Mercy,
something, I
wait,
want to
Mercy,
do. But when
hold
you
on,
see you
Mercy, I
don't want
concur.
to.
Mercy, wait. You
Wonderful.
said it's all
Thank you,
about
ma.
me. Hold on, Mercy.
Mommy.
Mercy, wait. Mercy, hold on. You said it's all about me. It's not all about me. It's all about how I'm going to put food on my family's table.
Bless, are you
Which is my
broke?
son
It's
at
all
that
about
time.
you. Blessing. Are you
Mercy,
okay?
Mercy, Mercy,
Now. We're not talking about
Mercy, hold
before.
on. Mercy,
When did
Mercy,
they
hold
saga
on.
me? Was
Mercy,
it not
wait.
2
Mercy,
years?
calm down. Mercy. You see where they do movie
I beg you,
industry,
don't do
You see,
it.
Mercy, you see one thing about
I
movie
think I'm
industry,
done talking.
If now you they make money for movie industry, people go they envy you. No, Mercy, hold on. You see what say about movie industry? If now you they make money, people go they envy you for the movie industry. At that time, now me they rain for this TikTok that time.
In the expenses of your
Now
family,
me Goya.
they
Even when I
serve
go
that
day
serve.
live video, Mercy.
It's all about you, Audion. It's all about you. It's all about
Mercy,
you.
it's not all about me, Mercy. It's not all
It's
about
all
me. This is
about
what
you.
I
That's what
make.
you're
Oh,
saying.
goodness.
It's all about
Mercy,
you.
whatever.
Mercy.
It's all
Mercy.
about you. Oh, it's all about
Mercy,
me.
calm down.
You know
Let
why?
everybody
Because
want to
they
say
want to
something.
try. They will
Mercy.
insult mommy.
Wait,
They will insult
Mercy.
Brasas.
Wait.
They will insult Brother Bright. They will insult my children. They will insult success. They will insult victory. They will insult my kids. They will insult my unborn kids. They will insult my children. These people that does not have life. Look at the people you associate yourself. People that can grow. Look at.
Mercy, don't insult this. Mercy.
I'm not insulting
I beg
them.
you.
I'm not talking about your fans. The people that are sagaing you. The people that are insulting me. People that does not have life. The people that can never post
Mercy.
up. I beg
Mercy.
you, God bless you.
I always tell you, Mercy.
It's
Why
not about
are you
you.
always upset? Why are you always upset with my TikTok? I always tell you why. Why?
You know, you're talking about something now that you see you now.
Mercy,
You want
why
to
do you
twist
keep
it.
Mercy?
You want to
I
twist
tell you
it.
one thing. It doesn't change the facts. You know when I tell you one thing. I say, Mercy, there are two things. If you still want me, leave it. If you still want me to be your sister, I told you one thing. TikTok will never change the fact that I told you either you just stay away and feel like, oh, Zion, be
If
careful.
I tell you I can't do something, you hold grudges about me. You see your life.
Mercy, it's not even that. Leave those things.
You say you hold it about me. But when I tell you,
Mercy.
blessing, these people are insulting my children. Can you back off? No, you will not.
Mercy,
You see, it's
this
not
is where I
about you,
make my money.
Blessing.
I told you, it's not all about me.
You see, it's
Mercy.
not about you.
Oh,
It's
Mercy,
all about money,
Mercy.
money.
Okay, where
How
you
much
dey
do
work,
you need? Let me
Mercy?
give you.
Mercy, hold on.
How much do
I
you
think
need?
Mercy,
How much do you
how much
need?
do I
Let me
need?
give you.
Please, give me one lion.
Your life. It's all about you.
Mercy, give me one lion.
It's all about you.
No,
All the
no
time,
worry
money,
now.
money,
I want to
money.
stop.
Are we
Give me one
blessing?
lion.
Is anyone asking
Give me
for
one
money?
lion. No
Don't
worry.
I have children?
Ebony,
Don't I have
Ebony.
my own? Am I not paying my
Ebony.
bills? Am I asking you for money?
Wait,
Goya.
It's all
hold
about
on.
you.
Hold on,
It's
Mercy,
all
wait.
about you.
Ebony, wait,
Mercy.
Ebony.
No,
Ebony.
it's always all about
Ebony,
Goya.
wait.
When
Mercy.
I don't
Ebony,
do it,
wait.
Mercy,
Mercy, wait. Ebony.
Mercy. Go the open words.
Wait, don't do that.
Don't drink
Mercy.
water.
Leave it to go.
Mama twins.
Mercy,
I
wait.
won't forgive you. I won't forgive you. You didn't pay my bills.
Mercy, Ebony, I beg. My sister says all about money. Ebony, I beg. You fit throw me one baby lion, I beg.
This is
I beg.
2024. You're always
Wait,
talking about
Ebony,
money.
I
Are you
beg.
giving the family
Ebony,
money?
Goya.
Ebony, see me.
Wait, now, are you giving the family money?
Mercy.
I have children.
Ebony,
Your
no
siblings
worry,
don't have
no
children.
worry. Listen to me. Ebony, throw me one baby lion.
Thank
Calm
you.
down.
You are making money.
Wait.
Thank you, Brady. You are
Mute. Ebony, Mercy. Ebony, I beg. Throw me one baby lion, I beg.
Goya.
Give me one baby lion. I beg, runner. Runner, I beg. Thank you, runner. Give me, I beg.
Goya.
No, Ebony. Ebony,
Goya.
calm down.
Goya,
Ebony,
wait,
calm
wait,
down.
wait.
Ebony.
Goya, you go let me
Ebony,
talk. You
before
go
you
calm
talk,
down.
Ebony.
Goya.
Ebony, wait, you talk. Ebony, wait. Ebony, just give me one baby lion, I beg. I want me my Insta talk. Wait, calm down. You know my thing now, you know me. Ebony, give me one baby lion, I beg. Give me one baby lion. Give me one baby lion, I beg. Ebony, I beg. Run, I beg. Please, my love. Anybody will say no, block him. I block you. Diana, I don't block your papa. You dey crazy. I know it's how they talk. I not be smart picking. Ebony, you know me. You know me say I'm smart. Ebony, give me one baby lion. Y'all say no, I'll block you. Anybody y'all say no, block their papa. Block all of them. Ebony, I beg. You will say go yeah, change your way. May I block you? You dey crazy.
see the difference between you and me. Do you see the
No, I don't want
difference
block
between me and
you.
you?
Mercy, wait now.
now.
Calm down. Mercy, wait. Calm down. Ebony. Oh yeah, you will say. Oh yeah. Ebony, runner for me, I beg. Ebony, runner. Give me one baby lion. Give me, I beg. I beg. Ebony, no worry. Runner for me, I beg. I want me. You get my. I'll go get your valid points. You'll get my valid points. Calm down. Ebony, I beg. Ebony, my love, I beg. Runner. Okay. Mercy, calm down. Mercy, give me one lion. Mercy, give me one lion.
Goya.
Ebony, wait. Ebony,
Goya.
Ebony,
Goya.
Ebony, you know me. You want
Goya.
to talk now? Wait.
Goya.
Wait,
Goya.
Ebony, wait.
Goya.
Ebony, wait.
Goya.
Ebony, see. Ebony, I don't let this TikTok. Calm down. Mercy, wait.
Goya.
Ebony, wait. Calm down.
No, Goya.
Ebony,
No, Goya. No,
Ebony,
no, Goya.
Ebony, chi. Ebony,
Goya, don't do
Ebony,
that.
calm
No,
down.
no.
Mercy, give me one lion.
Goya. Goya.
Ebony, mommy. Ebony,
Goya,
let me do my
Goya,
thing
you
now.
go listen. You go listen to me.
I go listen. Ebony, wait. He said it's all about the money. Hold on. Ebony, calm down. Mercy, give me one lion. Calm down. Ebony, your talk. Wait. Ebony, give me one lion. Mercy, give me one lion, I beg. Or you give me baby lion. Run out. Mercy, give me one lion, baby lion. Hurry up. I beg. Zion, take this thing and clean it. Give me one lion. I dey wait. We dey wait. My sister dey recharge. Calm down. My sister dey recharge. Wait. Mercy, please hurry up. Mercy, please hurry up. Give me one lion. I beg. Fancy ni. Una fit just dey give me roses. I beg. Mona dey show me love. Family, fans, all my fans. Mona dey give me roses. I beg. Mona wait.
Mona they give am. Okay.
Wait now, Mercy. Give me the lion. Everybody, all my fans. Mona dey show me love. Oh yeah, all my fans. Oh yeah. Mona show me love. I beg. Mona dey show me love. I beg. You know easy. Everybody, let's go. If you not say you really love me, I be your fans. Show me love. Everybody, Mona show me love.
Who is muting me?
Everybody, Mercy, calm down now. Wait. Calm down. I want you to understand. Wait. You don't say me how you they always get fight. Family, Mona show me love. Everybody, Mona they show me love. I beg, show me love. Show me love. I beg. I love money gone. Fancy me. Fancy me. Emma binu. Bambinu. All my in-laws then. Mona they give me line. I beg. I beg. Mona show me love. Without some more they talk. More take break. It's about to go down. Mona show me love. I beg. Mona they show me love. I beg. Thank you very much. Mona show me love. I beg. Who get money gone? I beg. Dash me. I love money gone. If you get money gone, Mona show me love. I beg. You know easy. You know easy. You know easy. You know easy. I beg. I beg. Who get money gone? Mona dash me. I beg. Who get money gone? I beg. Money gone. They keep my depression. I beg. Mona family, thank you very much. Everybody check. All my fans, ladies and gentlemen, it's about to go down. Ladies and gentlemen, gentlemen. Hold on, you ba. Who be that bomb? Who be that bomb? Who be that bomb? Who be that bomb? What they do any? What they do any? What they do any? What they do any? Now your papa money with they spend, it's about to go down. Goya the fucking shots. Now me they run now. Who they talk? Who they zoos? Who they better? Money not be water. Now it's all about the money. Me money they talk. Money they talk. People they talk. Everybody show love. Man, you know they talk. Who be that zoo? You want to think what people go talk? You go broke. You want to think what people go talk? You go broke. My sister, double your hustle. Time not they wait for anybody. You go in 99 there's no help. Everybody's about to go down. Ladies and gentlemen. See, ladies and gentlemen, see, who be that boy when they do any cha? Who be that boy when they do any when they do any now your papa money with a stranger. It's about to go down. Everybody say, Goya, we wanna party. It's all about the money. It's all about the money. Everybody, let's go. It's about to go do. 99 that's no help. 99 that's no help. My sister, no hustle. You go cry. You got to think what people want talk. Now your papa money. Gay. Now your papa money. Gay. Who want talk is a fucking shot. Let this zuzu in the body say, go ya take can't cap me. You take your depression. I am fucking depressed. Let us not go ya the runner. They're gonna tell you say money is not everything. Money is everything, my sister. If you think what people go talk, hunger go beat you. Frank, who de zuzu? Frank, who be that ginger? Jiggy. Who be that John? Jiggy, John. My sister, you go get 99 advice. No one help. Hunger go beat you. My sister, hustle. Now your papa money we they spend. Gay. My sister, give me money gone. My sister, give me lion. Who be that boy when they do any where they do any say, now your papa money. Let this Zuzu say, Goya, who they talk, who they yan. You go get 99 help, no help. Frank in the fucking shot say, Goya, take hands. Frank on the fucking shot say, Goya, make you take hands. Mercy, give me lion. Now they wait for your lion. Mercy, give me lion. Fans not good. All my fans, they say I dey talky. They say I dey talky. They say, not let anybody bring you down where you tell the hustle, my sister. Any money motivation, you go get 99, that's no one help. Never you let anybody take food where you tell the hustle, you go hungry. They go tell you, say, no, take that Libya, my sister. If Libya go make you succeed, follow Libya, oh, my sister. They go tell you, say, not follow Libya is the desert, my sister. No enter, you go hunger. Hunger go beat you, go zozo. Who be that John? Jiggy, John. My sister, give me one lion. I tell Ebony, hey, Ebony, give me baby lion. My sister, give me lion. Who be that boy one day do any? Who be that boy? 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 Ladies and gentlemen, the number one Goya, aka talk everything, no time to waste time. I may be weary, where they weary. Now let me be the girl when not the hear words. Oh, a spiritual problem they worry me. Oh, what my grandma always said to me, I'm depressed right now. My sister has to make her come up for TikTok. I have to make you give me one lion. You never give me one lion.
Messi, can I say something?
Messi, calm down. May you mute. You didn't tell me say now all the bag money, my sister.
Oh yeah, now.
My sister, if you want leave. If you want stay. 99 no one help. I say, may you give me lion now. Give me lion. I tell Bonnie now, give me baby lion. You don't give me. May you run now. It's not about the fans. It's all about the family. My sister, where you tell the also, if you like, you get family. Also, you also. Me not get shame. Me, I'm a shameless human being. Nobody go feed you and your children. Only you are go suffer. There you go get 99 advice. Everybody get their money for themselves. My sister no also make you say my family is a big family. Even David do get if Papa and I be the richest. You see, they make money, they do music, they shout for stage, they shout. David is down here. As if Papa get money, they say, I get family to protect, you go suffer. May you dare them, you say you get family, you go beg, you go tire. My sister, I am a hustler. If it is easy for you to go, Messi, send me lion. Who be that boy where they do any year? Who they do any year? My sister, not be insider, go support you now outsider. The day you become shameless, you will never become pro. You go get people go advise you, you not go get help. I learn one thing in a hard way. Now because I believe in family, now make them because of 2.5 million, I can't get any me. My sister hustle me, they don't ask you say how far. When I become shameless, I become millionaire. When I become shameless, I get to 335,000. Nobody tell me. My sister, you want to think what your family go talk, you go suffer. Now you get children, you go know. Now go also your life when you think say I get family to protect. My sister, I learn it in a hard way. Make I not beg family, make they give me documents again. Now I hustle, now I double my hustle. Make I not get entitlement so people now I hustle. Because if you dare entitlement, they go tell you, may you stop. If you stop, they go feed you. If you stop, David don't get money, see they go for concerts. David don't get money, see they go they play music. David don't get me money. Why they not tell me stop? When I not vex, I be family woman, I get children. My sister, but your point is valid, but not valid. You cannot tell me what I should stop, what I love.
Bless you.
The only thing be say, Messi, calm down. I tell you, say, give me Messi before you go talk, you go drop lion.
You see your problem. If
Messi,
I don't say it's all about you now, you say I've started now.
See, Messi, before you go talk, you go drop lion.
No,
Messi,
I'm not going to give you the lion.
Talking without, go down. Talking without point. Before you go talk, you go give me lion. Ebony not be my sister, not be anybody.
You dey craze.
Mute yourself. You dey craze. Now you want give me lion. You dey craze. Mona tell me send me lion. You dey mad. I tell Ebony me runner, you runner. I beg you. Yes. My sister, before you go talk, you go give me lion. When ants meet me because of 2.5, if not be say I also I for day government house by now. My sister, if you look family image, you know also you go suffer. I come for a rich family in our title. Won't you be rich? My family is so very rich. Won't you be rich? That make you see a lot of people, they are poor because my family are very rich. My sister, if you get now your own, no. I learn one thing, say live your life. The day you become shameless, John go be your own. Not the way you take, you not be so other people be. She's my sister, I love her, but at the same time, there's something she does. She doesn't understand what is love in a sister. I talk and say, me when I feel the whole cried. Me, I'm a streamer, you not fit take for me, you go cry. Nobody fit take this kaba for me. If they cannot come for you, they'll come for the people you love. You don't come down. You see life. You know the points that I made here. I want you to understand. Say people want to advise you, but no help. She get money, Ebony get money. I talk one thing, I say, give me one level. I say, Ebony, run one baby lion. He run her. I say, my sister, give me one lion. She come down. I let one thing be say, we can be siblings, but you need to hustle. I love my twin sister so much, very much. She remains my number one twin sister all the time, aka talk everything. But one thing in life I've learned, make her not for their entitlement. When I hear one point when she talk, She said I took the entitlement. If person say no, that's why I become hustler. You guys heard her. She's my sister. I love her so much, of course. Sister remains sister. You go get 99 advice, no one help. If you see me, they also, I struggle. Not because of anybody, because of these children. Now, children, they make people, they also. Imagine you day life, no documents for almost 2 years, 3 years. You will fair get documents, come like, I will not get. Landlord tell me you come up for house, you not get. You'll become shameless to take feed children.
Goya.
My sister, if you like, Ebony,
Goya.
continue to the top. Ebony, make I need that for you now because of you, I dey craze. I want craze again. Wait, Ebony. Oh yeah, wait. I want craze, Ebony. You see why they say I dey craze for TikTok? Wait. That your money gonna go free. Hold on, me I craze for you. I dey come.
Goya.
I dey come. I want craze for you.
Goya,
wait.
no craze. I don't say no craze. Goya.
I want craze. Wait, man. You did.
Oh
I
my
want get
God.
craze. Wait, make I wear my trouser. Wait, man, wear trouser. Me I craze for you.
Oh my
You did. Now
God.
you want to tell me? Wait, my craze. I dey come. Give me one day.
Goya. Oh God. I got tired to defend Goya. Oh God. Mona help me. I don't tired to defend that. Oh God of mercy. Mercy. I didn't even know when you came down. Mercy, please come. Mercy, please come. I have something for you. I don't know when Mercy take come down. I know they look the screen.
Ebony, you can wait. Ebony, I want craze for you. I dey come.
Goya, na me
You know,
God.
say I like to dey craze. Now money they make me craze. Wait, I dey come. Your gift. You don't know how much be baby lion. You don't recharge almost 88 euro. Nah. Wait,
Goya.
I beg. Better your mute, Don't be me gog you.
Oh my God.
My craze for you small. Wait, I dey come.
Oh.
Now this wait, my craze. Now mad get me big. Me what madzy. I'm depressed. I dey call my sister. They not talk about you. I know you mad be. You want make up for life. You don't want make people talk to you. Go suffer. I dey call my craze. My craze. If you craze, you live. If you not craze, you not live. So my your craze, me for live.
Oh Jesus.
Hold on. Ebony, I dey come. Hold on. Stop what you love most. You go get 99 advice, no one help. My fans see me. Oh yeah, all my fans now, all my craze. Oh yeah, I don't come. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. All lights, make her craze. So Ebony, like, yeah, go and sit down. Go and sit down there. You have to play. Okay. I want craze for Ebony. I want Chris to Ebony. Ebony, no verse. 1, 2.
God. Goya, don't tire to defend you.
May I stand up?
Goya, what be this?
Go back. May I stand up?
Goya, what be this, Goya?
May I stand up?
Stay there. Do exercise. May you reduce 1 kilo. Reduce 1 kilo. There. Oh my God.
May I stand up?
Oh yeah, stand up. Come. Stand up.
At least your money no waste. Your money no waste. Hope that boy what they do anyhow. Hope that all my fans. Not do it. All my fans, I'll Chris.
Goya, beg, come and get question.
Okay. Mona no verse. Bravo. Mona no verse.
Goya, beg, get question. That your best friend. Where is she there now?
Huh?
That your best friend, where she dey now?
She did her house now. Mommy Suzanne, thank you very much.
But both of you still dey in
Thank you
good
very
terms.
much.
But you guys are still
Yes, now
talking.
my bestie. Now my bestie for life, she know.
Okay.
Bestie for life. Bestie. You dey get me? I learn one thing be say, not say I get rich family. Are you rich? I get rich family. Are you rich? Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
Ebony.
Yeah.
Ebony.
Yeah.
You see one thing about me, I get good at. You dey get me? I get good at. But you see one thing. You see what she talk? I fear entitlement. Now that entitlement, I call the same make I stop. Ebony, you don't know the work. You see, if you don't get documents before, it dey different. Say you get documents, they can't catch me. They can't catch me for this to say I get my P na dagbo. You dey feel what they try to talk. That same day, now this boy papa come up for house. My document expire today. If papa pack it since the next day. I don't feel renew documents. 2 years plus, I not get documents. Going to 3 years. I cry. TikTok people call they feed me. 2 months they cut my lights. No light for my house. I call the on candle. I beg that your papa get half fast. Settle me. Go use me. If life treats you, you become rugged. You get me? The problem is say they use this TikTok now. Based on say, now me, who not talk a problem come out say, they can never know. I can't learn to live my life myself. Me or nobody. Ebony, I be your mama. I be your sisters. We know each other before. Ebony,
Yeah.
we know each other before.
No.
Me and you they talk. Now love when you get for me, now make you they support me. Thank you, Una, they support me. I am always grateful for Una. You get me? You see, you know Queen Anita. Queen Anita, come from America, He give me 300 euro from America, come my wedding. This woman buy flight ticket, 1,800 euro. Come on for America, come my wedding. From America, come my wedding. Say, Goya, I be your big fan. You are nobody for this TikTok. Biggest fan ever. Everybody don't see me, they take TikTok universe. I be lion. I bash up the next day, they suspend my account. I cry. All when I wait to tell you. You they get me? You they feel what they try to talk?
Yeah.
Sometimes I love my twin sister. She go say I'm not they listen to her. I'll say how you say I say listen to you. When I needed you most, you break my heart. You why they care for people, if people they care for me, I'm not gonna be where I did. They feel what they try to talk. Now make I sometimes I'll say TikTok, keep my depression. I'd always talk this to not inside the joke. You don't see where you don't bash up, Bonnie. You don't see where you don't bash up. Documents could be biggest problem. 2 years, 3 years, I don't get documents. Nobody know for this TikTok. Say they cash me. I'm supposed to not get my French passport. I bought for you, bo. Because it's when they take catch me. They can't catch me, say I get that, bo. This, you know it's at me.
I understand. You don't fair to talk this
I
matter
go
business now.
I go Nigeria. I say I want go change. I don't know say when I go Nigeria, they still give me fake dagbo for Nigeria. They can't catch me for airports. I suffer for passports. Nigeria passport show me what Kashege. Who talk you come outside before? Before I cut or say me or nobody, you decide a joke. You know how many cry? Cut my lights. Cut everything. Me and Zion, they inside darkness for 2 months. 2 months, nobody knew. Nobody. If you not see side they also like this, people go say, Goya, you just a walk, they're not gonna know. What you I don't see 99. Now 200 I never see. No baby, I say I get their family gets, you get. You they see me.
My
Where you
bunny,
say
I
they make
greet
money.
you.
Where you say
Goya.
they make money. Not let anybody shop am for your commota for your mats. Not you ever. Let anybody come out where you say they make money. Don't let anybody. I go come to talk. That time people they insult me. They go say, see this woman.
Madam, you not dey sleep. This one they call peep. You not dey sleep. Oh, you dey peep. You not dey sleep, madam. Everywhere now
They
you are they
get me.
follow up and down. You
Maybe
know
they
they
see me
sleep
every
since
morning.
morning.
Who don't date this Europe 2 months? You not get light for us. Tell me who be that person. No lights. They cut my lights. They say I not fit pay. Me as you know I will take all the get lights. You know your passage. You see passage. You dey hear me.
Yeah,
Go
the lights
put
go they reflect the enter.
you go they reflect. I can't put socket for 2
Goya.
months.
Yeah, it's okay. It is
If
well.
I want do food there through microwave, I'll go my girlfriend that's go cook. I'll bring her come. I call the whole bill of almost 1,000. You know how they bring bill and light bill.
Anyhow,
No, bring
yeah.
her 1,500. Where I want to see the money.
Yeah, I don't reach. She don't do.